So you have a Pioneer Fire TV and you have an issue with the audio or sound. Maybe it's like delayed. Maybe you see it watching Netflix and someone's talking and then the sound comes out after or maybe before. So it's either delayed or it's lagging, or maybe the sound or audio sounds garbled or sounds like you're in like some kind of like tunnel, something like that. Anyway, I'm gonna give you guys several solutions to get you up and running right now. By the end of this video, I'm gonna say at least 75% of you guys should no longer have any kind of audio issues. So first thing to do is this, okay, with your TV on, I want you to go ahead and unplug it, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and unplug it. Wait 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, go ahead and plug it back in, and then go ahead and turn your TV back on, and then see if your audio issue is corrected. If not, we're gonna go to step number 2. So step number 2, what we're going to do is simply restart the TV. So go ahead and go to your home page. You can click on the home button on your remote. And then we're going to go to settings all the way to the right. So move over all the way to the right to the settings, the gear icon right there. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and go down. And we're going to look for device and software, which is right there. Device and software. Click on OK. And then from here, just go ahead and go all the way down to restart. Click on restart right there. And move over to the left, restart. Let your TV go ahead and restart. And then once it boots back up, then go ahead and see if your audio is working correctly. If not, we're going to go to the last step here. I forgot to mention, but maybe you have audio issues across all the apps. Maybe it's just one app or whatnot. It doesn't matter, okay? Anyway, this last step here, what we're going to do is we're going to clear the cache on all the apps, okay? So again, go to your home page, click on the home button on the remote. Then we're going to go back to settings again, the gear icon. So move all the way to the right, the settings icon, and then we're going to go down and we're going to look for applications, apps, okay? Mine is right here, applications. Let me click on OK right there. And then from here, we're going to go down to manage installed apps right there. Click on OK. Now, this is what we're going to do, okay? So you have all these apps here. What we're going to do is go down the list, okay? Make sure you clear the cache on all of them, okay? So I go to AirPlay here. I can see cache on the right-hand side is like 16 KB. Click on OK. Go down to clear cache, okay? Clear the cache. As soon as I do that, you can see cache now is 0 bytes. Let me go click on the back button. Now go down Alexa shopping. Is there anything in the cache? Oh, there's a number on there, 24 KB. Click on OK. Go down to clear cache. Now it's 0. Go back. Okay, and just do that for all your apps here that you have. And then once you're done clearing the cache on all the apps, next thing is we have to restart the TV. So again, go to your home screen, click on the home button. That's after you clear the cache on every single app. Okay, and then from here, just like we just did previously, but we're going to go all the way to settings here and then go down and then go to device and software. Click on OK and simply just go ahead and restart. And as soon as it boots back up, see if your sound is working. So if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. All right, good luck, guys.